Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth back here to talk to you today about our For Dad gift bundle. It is the ultimate Father's Day gift and it comes at a great deal as well. You get all of these awesome items to gift your dad for a great discount. Normally, all of these items purchased outside of the bundle would total out to over $114. You can get them all today for $75 in this gift bundle. That's about 35% off. So to start out, you can see we have this Duluth pack utensil roll. And so when we open this up, you can see it is a great way to store and organize a bunch of utensils for your cookout or different tools. And it also can be hung up so that you can hang it in your garage to organize your tools. You can hang it at the cookout. You can tie this up with your apron and carry your tools around with you while you're cooking. And as mentioned, it is a roll. So you can put all your utensils in here, roll them up nicely, take them with you on the boat, take them with you when you're camping, in your pack, when you go to the cabin, between job sites, anything like that. So it's an excellent product for multiple different uses. We also have these two Duluth Pack pint glasses. They include our iconic Duluth Pack round logo, and they come in two different colors in this bundle. You get one black logo and you get one green logo. We also include some of this Uncle Wayne's fish batter. It is the original mix. Comes in this awesome little pouch, and it tastes great. So for all of your shore lunches, all of your fish fries, this is ideal fish batter. We also include an awesome Epicurean cutting board. This is a great travel size, and Epicurean is an awesome brand. They're made right across the bay in Superior, Wisconsin. We know them very well. Great durable products, and like I said, a great travel product, great to bring to your cookouts, very easy to wash off and clean and store. And as with all of our bundles, they come in this awesome Duluth Pack bundle bag. This has multiple different uses, so it's a great sustainable gift wrap. Your dad will find awesome uses for this. Emergency roadside kits fit really well in here. You can put stuff in it when you go to the beach and just cinch it up tight. Bring it to work as a lunch bag. There's endless uses for this great bag. As always, our manufactured products are proudly made in the USA. They feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware as well. So thanks for tuning in about our For Dad gift bundle, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.